data is there. Yes, and also no, right? Like we still see the effect. I just think that the effect is not as strong as we would like. Stefan, like on the futures FTD date, right? Like, we saw the effect. We saw massive amounts of internalization, but we still saw a price climb to almost $120. We're seeing the price climb now due to the overlapping ETF FTDs, which began, yesterday. We're seeing the delta hedging occur due to the price increases. So it's not that the thesis looks incorrect. It's that people just need to understand that the thesis is not projective of a rate of change in the price. It is projective of what's due and when. And I think the internalization and the massive shorting campaign that's taken place over the last several weeks only go to further prove the effect of the thesis, the effect that retail buying long dated options has as they have been buying them. And I think we reached that inception point where retail had bought more call options than shorts had available pressure to continue to avoid. And now that we've seen that crossover event, I expect we'll see upside. Looking forward to your other channel and getting my learn on. Been watching you for months. How often do you plan on uploading topics that we can learn from? Appreciate you. I want to finish up the video I've been working on today for the first video. And then I don't know. It's hard. It's taken me far longer to get it up and running than I expected it to. I know, it seems like my life exists here on the stream, but I do have other shit that I need to get done throughout the day. So it's hard to do that, and it's going to be harder to do both. But I have a lot of help from people in the community and stuff, and it makes it easier. If I didn't think there was potential in the play, I wouldn't still be in it. I wouldn't lie to you guys. I wouldn't continue to hold my shares. I would fucking sell and walk away and move on to other shit. I have not picked up my coffee grinder. The odds of me picking up my coffee grinder are very slim right now. I don't want a gimmick. I don't. It's stupid. Just like Cat is stuck in the channel. Do you think GME is stuck in a channel from 100 to 300? I mean, it is. Can you draw the giant wedge from market open, low, and high that we're consolidating towards? Sure, but why do it on the 1 minute? Just do it on like the 15 or even the 30. 15 is probably good. Could even probably go further back with this support. It looks good. Bullish. I expect us to move up at the end of the day anyway, regardless of the technical analysis. If I fly to New York, deliver your coffee grinder to you. No thanks. No, Chelsea, coffee grinder are not same as puts. More profits on more shares. Yep. You really need an assistant. I really don't make assistant money. Please have another grinder shipped to you somehow. You're giving me anxiety about it. Thank you, Economist Moist. They were supposed to ship it, but like they were supposed to just deliver it to me. But then, I don't know, their like delivery driver got COVID. That was months ago. And they were like, oh, he can't do deliveries. And then I was like, well, can you have someone else deliver it? And they were like, oh, we don't think so. You're going to have to pick it up. And then I don't want to go out to fucking Brooklyn. I got to get on the subway. It's bullshit. Or drive there? That's even worse. Then I'm going to lose my parking spot. Options Education's relationship to MOASS is still downvoted on Reddit. Have you considered reposting it again to combat it? I have. I think just people talking about it and the natural growth of the idea is sufficient. People aren't like talking about it less now than they were before. It's more, right? People are talking about it more because the effects are becoming more and more obvious to more and more people. It's like, look, take a play out of DFE's book, right? Look at when DFE started buying into GameStop and the shit he got. And then look at the period from, August 2020 to January 2021. you know, and look at the shift in sentiment towards him and towards his idea. I see what you're saying, Windmill, but I'm not going to acknowledge it.